Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling materials and securing the workspace. Gather Zardosi thread types, metallic, silk, rayon, and sort by thickness so stitches sit uniform. Mount your fabric in a hoop or stretcher. Make sure tension is even to prevent distortion. Thread a suitable needle. Use crewel for fine threads and channel for heavier metallics. Once done, practice a short chain and couching stitch on scrap. This verifies tension, needle choice, and how the metallic catches the light, so you avoid problems mid-piece. You move into structured stitching. Start with couching to anchor the metallic Zardosi thread along your drawn outline. Couch every 2-3 mm so the thread lies flat and reflects evenly. Once the outline is set, fill shapes using satin, seed, or bullion stitches, alternate direction, and layer a thin silk thread over metallic to soften glare. Make small anchoring stitches. Don't pierce the metallic core repeatedly because that frays. As you work, check the back. Neat anchoring preserves tension and prevents. You're now finishing and securing the Zardosi work so it lasts. Tuck and secure thread ends with tiny knots on the reverse, then add a small dab of clear textile glue for endurance. Press the piece lightly through a pressing cloth. Do not use high heat on metallic threads since they can darken or melt. If threads fray, cut the bad segment and recouch a fresh length. If puckering appears, loosen the hoop, retension the fabric, and rework the affected area. This restores a smooth surface.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.